is for apple, apple. Apple. B is for ballon, ballon. Balloon. C is for cat, cat. Cat. D is for duck, duck. Duck. E is for elephant, elephant. Elephant. F is for fish, fish. Fish. G is for giraffe, giraffe. Giraffe. H is for horse, horse. Horse. I is for igloo, igloo. Igloo. J is for jam, jam. Jam. K is for kite, kite. Kite. L is for lion, lion. Leo. M is for moon, 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 moon. Moon. N is for nose, nose. Nose. O is for orange, orange. Orange. P is for pig, pig. Pig. Q is for queen, queen. Queen. R is for rose, rose. Rose. S is for star, star. Star. T is for tiger, tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin, violin. Violin. W is for well, well. Well. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yo, 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 yo. Yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. Zebra. Next time, won't you sing with us? This is red, the color red, 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 red. This is red, the color red, 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 red. Do you know what color is this? This is red. This is blue, the color blue, blue, blue. This is blue, the color blue, 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 blue. Do you know what color is this? This is blue. This is yellow, the color yellow, 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 yellow. This is yellow, the color yellow, 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 yellow. Do you know what color is this? This is yellow. This is green, the color green, green, green. This is green, the color green, 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 green. Do you know what color is this? This is green. This is black, the color black, 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 black. This is black, the color black, black, pink, pink, pink. This is pink, the color pink. Pink, 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 pink. Do you know what color is this? This is pink. This is white, the color white. White, white, white. This is white, the color white. White, 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 white. Do you know what color is this? This is white.
Kids, today we learn water animals. No one dolphin leaps with a joyful flip, riding the waves like a sailing ship. Dolphin, dolphin. Number 2, starfish sticks to the ocean floor with 5 strong arms and much to explore. Starfish, starfish. No 3, sea turtle glides through the blue with the shell so strong and a heart so true. Sea turtle, sea turtle. No 4 whale sings with a mighty song, his voice echoing all day long. Well, well. No 5, seahorse sways with the current pull in a spiral dance so small and cool. Seahorse, seahorse.
That was great. Let's do this again.
Let's learn numbers.
1 apple, oh and bean, it's so sweet. An apple to eat. 2 bees, TWO buzzing by, flying in the sky. 3 carrots, THREE, they grow in the dirt. Bright orange and a healthy treat. 4 pencils, FOUR, in a line, ready to write and draw so fine. 5 tomatoes, FIVE, juicy and red, in the garden they're so well fed. 6 frogs, SIX, hopping on the ground, jumping around, they love the sound. 7 balls, SEVEN, rolling on the floor, bouncing, playing, wanting more. 8 ice creams, EIGHT, cold and sweet, lick and enjoy, it's such a treat. 9 ducks, NINE, waddling by, quack quack under the blue sky. 10 dolls, TEN, sitting in a row, playing dress up, watch them go. MELEVE, and flying at night, in the dark they're quite a sight. 12 bears, DLTREELVE, big and round, in the forest they can be found.
Learn days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Learn again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7, 7, 7 days in a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7, 7, 7 days in a week. Learn again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we are
5 senses, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, I can see with my eyes. I say you see me, I like, look around, see. 2, can hear with my ears. Stomping feet and clap hands. Sound are all around. Here. 3, I touch, feel with my skin. I feel hot, I feel cold, soft and rough. Touch. 4, I can taste with my tongue. I taste the food like that, salty, sour, and sweet taste. 5, I can smell with my nose. I can smell things, itchy, pleasant, I chew. Smell, senses. Let's explore senses. We all have 5 senses. Let's do this again.